Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anika and in today's video I will be creating this look by using all SheGlam products.
But before that, let me tell you how can you purchase SheGlam products. Just open your Shein app and write SheGlam on the search bar. Then you will be able to see all the products that SheGlam Cosmetics have, all the eyeshadows, lip pencils, eye pencils, lipsticks and much more. SheGlam quality is very premium. They are 100% cruelty free and the prices are very affordable. And not to miss, I have a 15% discount code for you. Just shop your favorite items from SheGlam Cosmetics, go to your cart, press checkout button, there you will see apply voucher option. Click there, write my code Q for Anika and there you go. You get a 15% discount on your entire cart. Isn't that just amazing? So don't wait guys, shop now and let's move on to the video. So the first thing I have is SheGlam 12 pieces makeup brush set. It has 3 face brushes and 9 eye brushes. Their bristles are super soft and the quality of the handles are very sturdy. Next I have this gorgeous Stay Wild SheGlam all-in-one color palette. Now this palette is amazing because it has eyeshadow shades, blush-ons, bronzing and a highlighter too. Now let's start the look. I'm taking this SheGlam eyeshadow brush. It is slightly angled so it will work perfectly on our crease line. Now taking this beautiful shade called Calling from the palette and I'm just creating a transition shade. I'm very surprised by the pigmentation of this palette. The eyeshadow is blending like a butter. Now I'm taking more precise angled eye contouring brush, taking the shade Gin, it's a dark brown color and I'm working very closely to my crease line and taking it outwards. We'll keep blending both the eyeshadows together till I see no harsh line and with a thick fluffy brush I'm just dusting out all the excess eyeshadow. I wanted to create a halo look so I am taking the same dark brown shade on the same eyeshadow brush and applying on my inner corners. This palette have also really pretty shimmery shades so I'm just deciding which shade I have to put in the middle of my eye. Just loving these shimmery shades. They are so satiny and super pigmented and I think they will look beautiful on the eyes. So in the end I decided to take this pretty emerald shimmery shade called 1001 Miles and I am applying in the middle of my both eyes. I want more shine on my eyelid so I am taking golden eye shade from this palette and dabbing onto that green eye shade. This is exactly what I was aiming for, the brighter look. Now it looks amazing. Taking this small round dense brush and just applying the same brown eye shade on my lower lash line. With this tiniest brush I am taking this golden glitter shadow and applying on my inner corners and the brow bone area. And yeah, the eye look is done. Now with this powder brush, I'm taking a loose powder and dabbing all over my face. I just wanted to say this brush is super soft, really soft. With this angled powder brush, I'm taking the contouring shade from this palette and I'm bronzing my face. I don't contour as you know, so just bronzing all over. This color is really pretty, very soft, not harsh. Also giving some dimension to my nose so it doesn't look blank. Now time for the blush. This palette only have one pink orangish shade and it has little shimmer to it. Last but not the least, it's highlighter time. Taking this powder brush and the highlighter shade is called Summer Twilight. I dust off the excess and yeah, it is not that blinding kind of a highlight but it is very soft, subtle and gives a very nice glow. I actually love the highlighter because it is just giving a very natural glow. Now moving on to the lips, I have SheGlam matte lipstick in a set of 3. This set have all the shades we need in our daily life, a nude, a nice brown and a good maroon color. The first shade I have is Wonderland, a very nice nude color, my personal favorite, and the pigmentation is really well. So the next shade I have this really pretty brown color called Holly and let me change my statement. This is my favorite color now. It looks so pretty and complements the eye look. So the last shade is called Lullaby, and this is a really nice combination between a red and a pink tone. A very nice color, and not to forget, the formula is amazing.
So I hope you like the look that I have created, and if you like the look, please hit the like button, the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!